Let me tell you this, on the road and me gal don't mix, I'm just alone.
Welcome back to my channel, the channel for loners, where I put you on, because if I don't put you on, who's gonna put you on? And today we are going to Ice Cold and Green. I just got my ticket this morning, an hour before the fete. Anyway, we on our way. It's a pum pum shot and a mesh. We getting dirty. It's a paint party with powder and all of that. We're only gonna be there for a few hours because tonight is a concert. Bouillon Fest concert. I'm so excited for that one. Stay tuned.
Well, this is done for. And as I say, I ain't got a choice. To sing a tune like this, I gotta use this box. You're mad, girl. It goes like let up! Everybody white me. This party all the time. Every woman must be good and sun. Everybody's so it wet. So much women in me. I'm seeing your things so yet. It took what it loaded. It was the I don't drink that easy. Oi, oi, oi. When you see we head get what and get what. Just think that get down. Come get me chest on that seat and dig some pan. What? We don't play some bad job and we don't play some bad job. We don't play some bad job. 1, 2, bloody net.
See what happened? See me jab rocking, you come and push up, that's a sin. Put you in red, with the thing they come in, you're not ring. You're not a job if you don't have a piece of cheese.
Boy, that's not the man we going to write his shit.
When we play bass, young in Grenadian.
tiny. I can't show you all of me, okay? I can only show you up to here. But listen, IGG was much better this year. It was much, much better this year. I'm happy that I went. I don't know if I'm gonna continue this vlog because I'm going to a bouillon. Shout out to St. Lucia. It's like a deanery. It's a concert. But you know they be turning up and winding up. So I have to get clean off. And then we're gonna go to the party. Stay tuned. Thank you for tuning into this one. We did our big one. We were squirting the girls with powder and paint. We was winding up with waist. We was doing everything we wanted to do. I was so happy. And I wore my Grenadian flag. I have to keep this one because my boo in Grenada gave it to me. So I wore it to the ice, gold and green. Did I tell you we went to ice, gold and green? It's a Juve party. Paint, powder, water, you know, you sort of vibe. It was a lot of fun. Let me show you what I'm eating right now. This is pasta. I just warm it up on the stove. It got a little bun, if you know. Bun. Yes. It have some beef short rib in here. It's leftovers from a restaurant, actually. But it's like so tasty. It's handmade Italian pasta. And I just did it on the stove. I charred it a little bit. So that's the bun. And that's how I like it. I drink my ginger ale. Oh, God. Ah, my body hurting me. Y'all, my body hurting me. My whole body hurting me. Look at this. I have a bed. I go in and bed. This is crazy. Look at me. I have so much pain all over.
Let me tell you this, on the road and me gal don't mix, I'm just Salona.